Ready to transform how your children learn? Join us on Learning Adventures with Learning Squirrels. In our very first episode, we explore how storytelling, hands-on activities, and everyday moments can spark curiosity and creativity in young minds. Hear from expert Satya and real parents as we uncover the joy of learning together. Subscribe now and start your adventure. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the very first episode of Learning Adventures with Learning Squirrels. I'm Murti, your host, joining you from Rajmundry. This podcast is your gateway to understanding how education can be engaging, practical, and transformative for kids and parents alike. With me is the mastermind behind Learning Squirrels, Satya. Hi, Satya.
Hi, Murti, and hello to all our listeners. I'm so excited to kickstart this series. At Learning Squirrels, we are all about nurturing curiosity in young minds and empowering parents with the right tools and strategies. This podcast will help you navigate the ever-evolving world of education.
And to make it even more exciting, we've invited two wonderful parents, Raji and Sudha. Welcome to the show.
Thank you, Murti. I'm thrilled to be here. As a mother of two little ones, I'm always looking for new ways to keep them engaged and learning.
Thank you, Murti and Satya. My kids are older, but the challenges of balancing academics and life skills never end, do they?
Absolutely, Sudha. That's one of the reasons we created Learning Squirrels, to bridge the gap between traditional learning and real-world skills. Let's start by sharing a bit about our mission.
Great idea. Satya, could you give us an overview?
Of course, Learning Squirrels focuses on project-based learning, fostering creativity, and tailoring educational strategies to individual needs. Our mission is to make learning a joyful adventure, whether it's through storytelling, hands-on activities, or collaborative projects.
That's fascinating. Raji, with your little ones, have you explored any creative or hands-on learning methods?
Yes, my 3-year-old loves storytelling, especially when we bring characters to life with toys. And for my 5-year-old, simple experiments, like making slime, spark so much curiosity.
Wonderful. That's exactly the kind of engagement we promote, using everyday moments as teaching opportunities. Sudha, what about your experience with older kids?
With my 12-year-old, I focus on discussions, like how things work in the world, from science to social issues. For my 8-year-old, it's about combining fun and learning, like cooking while teaching measurements and fractions.
Those are amazing examples. Satya, what advice would you give to parents who feel overwhelmed by this journey?
My advice is to start small. Pick one activity each week that aligns with your child's interests. And remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach. Every child is unique, so follow their lead.
That's a great takeaway. Satya, before we wrap up, what can our listeners expect in the coming episodes?
We'll dive deeper into topics like practical learning at home, technology's role in education, and even ideas for cultivating emotional intelligence. Plus, we'll feature more inspiring stories from parents and educators.
Sounds like an adventure indeed. Thank you, Satya, Raji, and Sudha, for this insightful conversation. To our listeners, don't forget to subscribe and join our next episode. Together, let's make learning fun and meaningful.